Did you know that SARS requires you to keep record for 5 years from the point where you have submitted your VAT return, and that you can be audited and requested to produce these source documents? Hi, I'm Lynette Harrison and you are watching Accounting ER. Today I would like to go over the criteria for a valid tax invoice. Checklist for a valid tax invoice. A full tax invoice is required where the value of the invoice is exceeding 5,000 Rand including VAT. The following criteria must be met. It must contain the word tax invoice, VAT invoice or invoice. It must contain the supplier's name, address and VAT registration number. It should also contain the customer's name and address, and where the customer is a VAT vendor, their VAT registration number should also be on the tax invoice. It should contain a serial number and a date, an accurate description of the goods or services, indicating where the goods are second-hand, quantity or volume of goods or services supplied, the value of supplies, tax charged, and inclusive value. Next, we're going to look at an abridged tax invoice. This is required where the value does not exceed 5,000 Rand including VAT. All the same criteria must be met, excluding the customer details and the quantity and volume. And let's see what we can identify. Here we see the word tax invoice. Here is the address of the supplier, the name and address of the customer, quantity supplied, description of the goods supplied, and the VAT number of the customer. Here we've got a tax serial number, the VAT registration number, a date, the unit price excluding VAT, a VAT percentage, and a total inclusive value. And that is what a valid tax invoice should look like. I have left a link for you in the description below for this checklist. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed watching Accounting ER. Please leave a comment below for your accounting emergency.